Recasting is one of the simplest and most effective ways we can support children's language development, and it underpins how children begin to learn grammar in the first place. First, you need to start with what the child says. Then, you can repeat back what they say, giving them the correct grammar. So, for example, if the child says, "The boy running," you as the adult could say, "Oh, the boy is running." So what you're doing is you're not correcting mistakes, but you're confirming, letting the child hear the correct grammar, keeping the conversation flowing. If they make a longer sentence with multiple errors, try and keep your recasts nice and short. You don't have to recast everything. So, if the child says, "I go play football and I score 100 goals," the adult could say, "Oh, you scored 100 goals."